Hey guys, it's Mike with A&M. Today we're gonna do another Good Find Friday. So this is everything we got good from this job today, and I'm gonna go over everything. So let's get into it. All right guys, the first thing we got was this bistro set. So these sell for a couple $100. Everybody's into these. They last for a long time. Not too much rust or anything crazy on that. So that was our first good find. Let's go check out the other stuff. All right guys, the second thing we got was this weed whacker. Probably get 35 bucks minimum for that. Those are like 100 bucks brand new, but I'm sure it works because everything they gave us was pretty nice. Now let's get into the other stuff they gave us. Here we have all these DVDs. If this was early 2000s, I'd be in my heyday because, you know, these would have been worth a lot more, but some of the stuff's brand new packaged. And we got crates of DVDs, and here's another one up there. So even if we sold those off for $1, there's probably 200 of them, and we got more DVD racks right there, as well as more DVDs. Then right here, these are all children's clothes. So we're actually having a baby boy in August. So this is actually awesome. So we can maybe use some of that or donate it. The other thing we got was this kitchen table and chairs, which you can't really see because it's all stacked up, but this was pretty nice. I think we can get at least 150 bucks for that. And here's the tabletop for that right there. All right guys, and over here we got a brand new clean and seal deck sprayer. I thought it was like a Roundup type thing to kill plants, but looks like it's for specifically spraying decks. So that's cool. That's brand new. Down here we got some crazy books. All right guys, so I wanted to show you this because it's, I think, every Harry Potter book, and then we got the entire series of Narnia, and then there's also the Twilight books and some other stuff in there, so that was cool as well. And the last thing we got was this Batman car seat, which I got a 6-year-old kid down the street who I think would like that. Well, he might be 5 actually, but he loves Batman, so I'm gonna give him that. Okay, the next thing we got were these propane tanks. Some of them are actually full, so if you went grilling lately, you know these are like 50 bucks each. And if you don't have an old propane tank, it's actually like an extra 20 bucks. So I always sell these for like 10 bucks if they're empty, because you can just go get brand new ones cheaper. So that was a good find too. They had 5 of them. All right, and the last thing we got was all this scrap metal, which if you guys watch any of the other videos, we always go to the scrap yard. So yeah, overall, I think it was a pretty decent job, and we got a lot of good stuff that we can use. Leave a comment if you think we can sell those DVDs, or if those are even worth saving. Maybe we'll just donate them. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you next time.